Hello guys, this is Claudio with another video on how to reset cameras. Now I'm going to reset the Reolink Argus 3. If you lost your password, you just need a reset needle like this one so you can reset this camera, okay? So here, as you can see, the camera is on. There's an LED here, and back here I can open this part. It's here down on the camera, okay? Can open here and you see the micro SD card. You see here the button to power on or off the camera, and just right here there's a reset button. You're gonna use your needle, you're gonna press here until you hear a message, okay? You're gonna feel when you press, you're gonna feel the click, and then you hold it, hear the message, and then release and wait for a second message. Then I'm gonna tell you that the camera is reset, okay? So let me do this right now. Gonna insert here and click. Okay. We hear the sound. And you see the LED here is red, and now there's this sound like a sonar sound that indicates the camera is ready to connect. Okay, so you need to use your app and connect to the camera again. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next video.